Hello, what go on? So today's video, I'm gonna put in a DCT style shifter into the E90. Yo, let's check this out, see how it looks, see how it work out. So stay tuned. Upgrade, cause my shifter need to change. Check a look. Yeah, that's looking disgusting. So as of right now, anything will be better than that. So stay tuned. Alright, this instruction, simple thing. Connect up wires, ready to take. Alright. Check it out. Alright. Not bad looking. What do y'all think? Better improvement over what's going on right here, so definitely. So this comes with the wires so I can make all of this work. That's if I want this. I can avoid putting the wires, but I'm here looking at this now. Is it even gonna make sense? I got this here, and then this is gonna be lighting up, and this is gonna be lighting up. That's kind of redundant, but we'll figure out something to make this work and make this happen. So some pretty easy things to do. Pull up the shift knob here. Boom. Yeah, you see how that pops out. Let me move my little dimmer out the way. My little mini 3 series. Alright. I think I gotta shift this thing so I can be able to pull this up. I basically gotta lift this shifter off. Let me put this in a gear. Let me put you guys down. See there. You can see, just gotta pull this up. First step done, got good to go. Shut back off this really. Alright, pull off the old shift bolt. Alright, so I got all these extra wires and stuff. Let me explain what's going on. So we just gotta, from simple as this looks, set up the wire in here. So I think this plugs into, for which one plugs into which, but I think one of these plug into here to bypass this, not bypass, but to get the power from this signal here, then connect back to the factory, and then this goes to this, or one of these things. But give me a minute, let me figure it out. Let you know. Let's see, put the shifter down. It says neutral, everything line on. Oh yeah, before I put all this back, put these wires down and out of the way. Put down back. Alright, so all the wires are cleaned up down here. You just gotta make sure to tuck these out of the way so when the shifter is moving, nothing gets snagged up or, you know, attached to anything, hopefully. So that's all you gotta do to make sure these wires are out of the way and safe. I'm just worried about this one, to put it to a safe side. I'll probably try to stick it over here or something. Stick it down over here, and that should be safe from anything. I gotta figure out, probably to this side probably be better. I don't know, figure out something. Let me see, can I stick it up under here and just leave it up here like this? Alright, we'll figure that out, clean that up, and yeah, probably just gotta stick it right here or something, and that should be good. That'll be out the way. I think so. I think I got it, but here, instead of keeping you guys waiting, we'll just pop this in for right now and let you guys see how this looks. I'm not really feeling it with the hub, this right here as well. We gotta adjust that. I'm thinking I might just get the one for the manual, so that way cuts out all of this. Nice cleaner look. But we'll see how that goes. Put this down for right now. Give you guys a little look of when we're shifting. Put this in gear. Alright, alright, alright. Into reverse, lighten up. Neutral. Drive. And M. Nice. Kinda twist it. I gotta push this down some more, but yeah, we're good to go. Oh yeah, I messed up this. We'll fix up all of that and make sure it looks clean and give you an after. Let me do that behind the scenes. Set up clean still. Yeah, that looks much better than the previous shifter I had. So yeah. Alright, compared to this, looking how shabby and whole, anything right now is a better look. Yeah, right now, anything's a better look than this right now. So, new shifter look alright. Definitely could work with this. I'm just not feeling with this here and this here actually makes sense, having both of these. So we'll do something to clean this up, and probably if I could put on the manual shifter cover over here, or find a way to delete this, make it look a little bit cleaner than having both of them. But yeah, this is my new DCT style shift knob. Yeah baby. Yeah baby. Yeah baby. Future video. Alright yo, thanks for watching another video down. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't posted that many videos recently, but I'm trying to get things sorted out and make things be proper so I can be more consistent with the videoing. So stay tuned. Next video I'm probably gonna be talking about my hand controls. People have been asking how I drive and stuff like that, so give you a more in-depth video. How to, if you're in a wheelchair, how to get yourself a hand controls, how to use them, the whole 9 yards. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.